slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this morning, then thunderstorms and showers likely this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds. Warmer with highs in the mid-80s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Tonight, partly cloudy. Thunderstorms and showers likely in the evening. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds in the evening. Humid with lows in the lower 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Sunday, partly sunny. Humid with highs in the lower 80s. South winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming southwest 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s.
Yeah.
West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And
nothing would surprise me.
Today, partly sunny with a chance of thunderstorms and showers
this is almost like almost early nightfall up here.
Likely this afternoon.
This is crazy.
Thunderstorms may produce damaging winds.
I just came back from Charlemont. I was at Papagino's just finishing my lunch, and now the piggyback went east, so I figured I'd get ahead of it. Didn't think I was coming back in hell, and that's exactly what this is turning out to be.
Thunderstorms may produce damaging winds in the evening. Humid with
we're going to get nailed, and I think we're not going to get out of this one too easy.
5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Patchy fog in the morning.
Come on, spit some lightning up here. On my way back, a bolt of lightning hit a pine tree off one of the side roads, but you can see it from Road 2, and it's like, I didn't even have the camera in my hand driving.
Becoming northwest after midnight. And now the extended forecast for the radio listening area. Monday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Tuesday, partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Oh boy, here it comes
now. Highs in the
now.
lower 80s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday night, a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 30%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday and Thursday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s. Lows in the mid-50s. Friday, partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 30%.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued an urban and small stream flood advisory for northern Columbia County and east central New York. This includes the cities of Hudson, Chatham until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service radar indicated areas of 1 to 2.5 inches of rain have fell across Columbia County. Runoff may lead to minor flooding of small streams, urban and other poor drainage locations. Ponding of water on roadways and standing water in low-lying areas is likely.
And now the hourly information for the greater Northeast. Here are the 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for western Massachusetts. At Pittsfield, light rain was falling. The temperature was 70 degrees, the dew point 66, and the relative humidity 88%. The wind was northwest at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 29. The pressure was 29.87 inches and steady. At North Haven, a thunderstorm was reported, reducing the visibility to 3/4 of a mile. The temperature was 72 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity 94%. The pressure was 29.88 inches and steady. In central New England and eastern New York, at Glens Falls, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 73. Rain was falling with a temperature of 77 at Springfield, Massachusetts, and 76 at Albany. At Bennington, Vermont, rain and fog were reported with a Temperatures were between 70 and 72 degrees. At North Adams, a thunderstorm was reported. At Pittsfield, rain was falling.
Now here's the hazardous weather outlook for northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, east central New York, and southern Vermont. For today and tonight, there will be the chance for thunderstorms today. Severe weather potential remains low at this time. The greatest hazard from these thunderstorms will be wind gusts 50 miles per hour and brief heavy rainfall. Thunderstorms will track to the northeast around 20 miles per hour. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. There is a chance for thunderstorms Tuesday through Wednesday. Cloud information statement. Cloud or activation is not expected at this time. Now here's the hazardous weather outlook for northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, east central New York, and southern Vermont. For this afternoon and tonight, thunderstorms are likely today. The greatest hazard from these thunderstorms will be wind gusts to 50 miles per hour and brief heavy rainfall. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. There is a chance for thunderstorms on Sunday and Tuesday through Wednesday. Cloud or information.
Is anybody showing up out there, keyhole?
County 911 Middle
Thank you.
Ambulance Monitor, second transmission. Respond 195 Bowland Road, nearest crossroads, near Run Road, the Zousville resident. 56-year-old male, sick person called, dizziness. 26 Alpha 2-3 response. Repeating, Middleburg Ambulance, second transmission. Respond 195 Bowland Road, nearest crossroad of Deer Run Road, the Zousville resident. 56-year-old male, sick person call, dizziness. 26 Alpha 2-3 response. Harry County 911-425.
When he's clear, you'll get on the 771. Talk to me approaching the bridge. That's correct, all the way down.